Switching gears now, let's now take a look at the cases of coronavirus here in PA. The Department of Health is reporting more than 2,200 cases across the state. That includes 531 new cases confirmed on Friday. The majority of these cases are in southeastern PA, but Beaver, Butler, Washington, and Westmoreland counties are all in the double digits. We are expected to get new numbers from the county and state health departments a little later on today. And 3 local counties considered hotspots for coronavirus. Allegheny, Butler, and Westmoreland counties are now under orders for people to stay at home. That means people should really only leave their houses for essential reasons. 19 counties across the state are under that same order. State health officials say this might just be the beginning in a spike of cases. Chris Hoffman joins me now. Chris, why is the state health secretary predicting that the cases could possibly continue to multiply?
Well, Megan, to put it in perspective, on Monday we were talking about less than 50 cases in Allegheny County. Now it is gone up by 3 times that to 158, and that's just for this morning with 25 people hospitalized. That number expected to go up when the state and local county health departments release their numbers later today. Now on Friday, Pennsylvania had an increase of 531 cases just from Thursday to Friday. That's a 25% increase, bringing that total to 2218. Now health officials say some of the increase is more people are being tested. Pennsylvania Secretary of Health, Dr. Rachel Levine, pointed to population density playing a role causing situations like we've seen in other parts of the country. Now, health experts are saying with proactive measures taken by local and state leaders, our area should not become an epicenter as long as we listen to the CDC guidelines and stay at home. A professor at Carlow University predicts the stay-at-home order could last for quite a few more weeks going into May.
Week before they realize that they're sick and they're transmitting it to other people before they even realize that they have the virus, and I think that's just going to prolong this because of that exposure time.
There are so many different issues which contribute to where we might see a hotspot, so to speak. Certainly the age of the population, air quality is important. Also the density of the population. How many people live really, really closely to each other?
Now, for when we can expect it to peak, they are not too sure on a timeline. Dr. Levine says the virus makes that timeline, not us. She also says hospitals and healthcare facilities are working together to prepare for any surge. Now, we have an interactive map of Allegheny County of where these confirmed cases are in each municipality. You can head on over to KDKA.com or our app to view that map and see where in Allegheny County these cases are. We're live this morning. Chris Hoffman, KDKA News.